In the darkest moments of our lives, when the weight of the world feels unbearable, there lies a spark that, if nurtured, can ignite the flames of greatness. Today, I invite you to explore how the very pain that seems to be break us can become the fuel that drives us towards our highest potential. Turning pain into power, using adversity as fuel. Pain is like a carver chiseling away at the rough edges of our souls. It is in the moments of deep despair that we often discover our true strength. But how do we turn that pain into power? Question mark. How do we harness adversity as the fuel that propels us forward? Imagine you are a seed buried under the dark, cold soil. It is uncomfortable, even painful, but it is only through that struggle you can push upward, break through the surface, and reach for the sunlight. Just like that seed, our challenges are not meant to bury us, but to plant us, giving us the strength to grow. A story of turning pain into power. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, a man who failed not just once or twice, but over 1,000 times before successfully inventing the light bulb. Even failure can have been a nail in the coffin of dreams, but instead, he viewed each one as a step closer to success. Edison famously said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that would not work. This mindset turns his repeated failures into stepping stones, paving the way for one of the most important inventions in the history. Another powerful example is Helen Keller, who lost her sight and hearing at just 19 months old. Her world was plunged into a darkness and silence. Yet she did not let her disability define her. With the help of her teacher, Annie Solomon, she learned to communicate, eventually becoming a world renowned author and advocate for the disabled. Keller once said, although the world is full of sufferings, it is also full of overcoming of it. Her story is a testament to how adversity can become a catalyst for the extraordinary achievements. They say laughter is the best medicine, and even in the midst of struggle, humor can lighten the load. Imagine the first day Edison tried to light his bulb and nothing happened. It is almost as if the bulb looked at him and said, not today, Thomas, not today. But he did not give up. Neither should we. As Henry Ford once said, failure is simply the opportunity to begin again. This time, more intelligently, his journey was not without setbacks, but his relentless pursuit of innovation revolutionized the automobile industry. As we close today, remember that every great figure in the history who achieved something remarkable faced their own share of hardships. Their pain became their power, their adversity became their advantage. The next time life knocks you down, do not just get back up, stand taller, reach higher, and let the pain fuel your journey to greatness. After all, the stars cannot shine without darkness, and neither can you. Walt Disney, a man whose name is now synonymous with creativity and joy, and was once fired from a newspaper job for lacking imagination. Imagine that Disney lacked imagination, but instead of letting that failure define him, he used it as a fuel to create one of the most magical empires in the world. Disney's journey was not smooth. His first studio went bankrupt and he faced countless rejections. But he kept going. He believed in his vision when no one else did. Today, Disney's legacy is a testament to the power of perseverance and turning setbacks into success. Pain is inevitable, but how we respond to it is a choice. Let us choose to turn our pain into power, using adversity as the very fuel that drives us to achieve the impossible.